From the sunny shores of the Florida Keys to the rolling vineyard hills of Napa Valley and the tree-lined city streets of Barcelona, our ALHI Member properties call some of the world's most beautiful landscapes home. In our latest edition of ALHI's Beyond the Meeting Room, we are exploring the stunning views that create a luxury experience your guests will never forget. Sparkling sand or city lights, stunning gardens, or snow-capped mountains, you can find it all at our ALHI Member properties. If you're ready to see more, you can check out the full article in Beyond the Meeting Room or visit alhi.com.